Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique and today we are going to be taking a look at this Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1. Look how beautiful. I did not get this in PR. I purchased this myself. I've heard a lot of really great things about it and I've watched Tati for a long time. So I wanted to purchase this to be able to give you guys some looks with it. Now, this is pretty heavy. The mirror in it is like, it's a really nice quality mirror. So the thing that I love about this is that there are 5 core shades, but they're in 5 different finishes. There's matte, sequin, metallic, and then glitter. I love all of these. I feel like you can create so many looks with this for every day, and then you can like spice it up for night. I'm not even sure what I'm going to do with it yet. It's so pretty, but like this shade is really speaking to me, but I don't know if I want to do something that bold today. I need to do something more neutral because I'm also filming a foundation review, and so when I take my pictures I don't want it to be like, because it's supposed to be like a nice clean image for this foundation, so I don't think I should do something super over the top, so maybe something just a little more daytimey. I think I'm going to start with this shade called Soothe, and I'm going to take the matte formula, and right now I think I'm just going to use it to map out my eye shape. And I am using a Morphe M506 for this. I'm going very lightly in the corner because this is going to be like a more of a daytime look. Just kind of focusing it on the outer corner, and then I'm blending it in some, but only about halfway. So I'm stopping about like right here. I'm just very lightly dragging it towards the inner corner. And then once there's like no product hardly on my brush at all, I'm just gonna like circulate it out and blend it so that it kind of comes up towards the brow, but it's like almost the same shade as my skin tone, so it's just gonna look nice and soft and blended. And we can always go back in and build that up, like right where we want the crease to be, and maybe the tiniest bit above, but not much. I'm going to pick up this shade called Aura in the matte finish. It's a very, very light shade, and I'm going to pick that up on an Anastasia A4 brush. And I'm just going to kind of tap it right here in the inner corner on the lid. And then I'm just going to bring it over here to meet this and kind of blend those together, just tapping over them. And I'm going to do the same up here. I don't want this to be like a cut crease. I want this to be very soft. And then I'm going to go back in with Soothe just to kind of tap out the ends and blend everything together. I'm going to pick up a little bit of this Ritual shade in the matte formula, and I'm just going to tap that down here lower to the lash line and right in this outer corner some, just to deepen it up. We don't want to go too dark because this is still a daytime look, but I just wanted to give a little more definition with this. And then I'm going to go back in with the brush that we had the shade Soothe on, and I'm just going to blend that all together. So you can see it didn't like make a huge difference. It just deepened it just a little bit. I'm going to take a little more of that Ritual shade, which is the darker brown, and I'm going to put that right under the lash line. And then I'm just going to extend it up here and kind of make this a little bit darker next to the lash line as well. Just a little, and then blending it up. I'm going to take a flat definer brush with that Ritual shade on it, and I'm just going to use it to press right up against my lash line. Because I don't want to put liner there. I want that to be a little more defined, but I don't want to put liner there because I don't want it to be harsh. And then I'm just going to blend it up a little bit. So it just looks like a nice soft liner. And then also with this flat definer, I'm going to go in and add a little bit more to the bottom outer corner. And then I'm going to go back in with Soothe and I'm going to blend that out. I will do more tutorials with this palette because I want you guys to see what all it can do, but I have been just getting so many requests from my subscribers asking for a more natural everyday look. And I feel like this palette was perfect for that. Plus, I'm filming this first impression foundation review, so I wanted to be able to do something more neutrally and natural so that I can take pictures for the foundation shoot. I wish that I had like good lashes so that I didn't even have to do a false lashes, so that I could just put mascara on and go, and then this be the final product. But I have these little tiny nubbly lashes, thin lashes, so I'm going to throw on some mascara and lashes real quick and I'll be right back. I'm going to go back into the Aura shade, but I'm going to go in with the sequin formula. And I'm just going to place that right here in the inner corner. And then on the brow bone a little bit. Just give a little bit of highlight there. But it's like a very subtle, natural, everyday highlight. Okay, so to finish off this look, I have put on this CoverGirl Fresh Clean Tinted Lip Oil, and this is in the shade 120 Bad Apple. I just filmed a video on the whole CoverGirl Clean Fresh collection that they sent me, and so I'm really excited for you guys to see that video. Not sure what order I'm going to post these videos in, but if it's already up, then I'll include a link in the description box. I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm going to definitely create some more looks with this palette. Some that are a little more dramatic and smoky and everything, but I really wanted to give you guys this neutral, natural, everyday look that you guys can wear to work or whatever, because that's what you've been asking for. And I am so grateful to even have a platform and for you guys to even ask me to do anything, to have people that care enough to watch my videos. So I'm definitely going to try to always give you guys what you want. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in the next one.